So this is interesting. The American Security Products TF5517E5. Well, I think we've been selling it for over a decade. It's a marvelous closet safe. They haven't made a lot of changes on it. I will tell you they've redesigned the lock a year or two ago. It's working great now. It was pretty good before, but you know, little time, little effort, works even better. But what's interesting about it is they have finally come out with a white version, which is right over here. So let me start in like we're fresh here. It's 55 tall by 17 3/4 wide, figure 18 inches, 16 inches deep, add another 2 inches for the trim. So this will fit in just about any closet, or we put them into campers before. There's no end to this. I won't call it a beginner safe. You find those in some of the box stores, but it's not a real high-end safe, and it's a smaller safe, but it's an excellent unit. It has the redesigned ESL5, and it's got a night light. I don't know if you'll be able to see it here, but it lights up. So we got it set on a regular code so we can all get into them. And by the way, it's got the smoked trim, which just looks fantastic on the white. You'll be able to see it's a 3/16 outer door. The body is 14 gauge. It has double fire seals, which is really cool. This is what they call an incandescent seal. And when it gets hot, it expands. And that's what keeps the smoke out. The smoke is what has the acid in it. Rust your guns like that. It's just nuts. We have another incandescent seal right here. So that's a great help. Now you get into the safe a little bit, and oh yeah, it has a 30-minute fire rating. It actually exceeded that in the test. It has a DOJ testing label under it, so it's been tested by DOJ, and it has a lifetime warranty against fire and theft, which is pretty good. Now, it doesn't work in commercial establishments, but it's really a homeowner safe, and that's why. But you open the door, you got a wonderful door here. You got little areas to, you know, keep your stealthy flashlight and odds and ends. You have 2 pistol holders here that are Velcro, and you've got tons of pockets. It's put the door to excellent use, actually. Now, on the inside, you have a top shelf, and you have an area that'll hold 11 guns. The collection grows, so if you like this, you'll come back for a bigger safe, I'm thinking. In addition, how the way this is constructed is it has 4 of these holes down here with these little rubber poppers, and it's ready to be bolted in. The holes are already drilled in the safe, and I got to tell you, with a safe that weighs just under 300 pounds, you really want to bolt it in. Bolting it is what keeps the safe for you and keeps them from dragging it away. It has 11 gun interior is fully adjustable. The shelf is fully adjustable, and it's just been a staple of ours for maybe 1.5 decades, maybe 2. We're so happy to have white. I believe we've got one in every store. We've got some in the warehouse ready to go. So there's a pretty good chance if you hit one of the stores, you're going to see it, have a chance to compare. If you'd like to call for pricing, please do. We're going to put our 800 number up here. By the way, mine's John. Tell them John sent you from the video, and talk to one of our people in the stores. Now they're sitting next to the safe, so they can answer any question you want. Anyway, thank you much.